And now hip hop track. Just move your hips and your arms like push. Yes. And now inhale and exhale. One more time. Push. Use your hip. Very good. Inhale. And we start with slow march. Going down. Watch. Step down. Step down 3 fast and stop. Open march. You got it? One more time. Step down. Step down. Step down. Give me 3 and open. Yes. We have to add some hips. Easy. Step down. Step down. 3. Open. Double hip. Very easy. March. Stop. 3. Open. Give me. Yes. On place again. 3. Now hip with arms from beginning. Again. Yes. 3. 1 and 2. Are you ready to come forward and use your arms? Watch. Go cross. 3. Open up and down. Go back. With the hips and the push. Come on. Cross. 3. Up and down. Again, come on, you got it. It's like a little slide. Go back. And last time for everybody. Yes. Up, down. New part. Cross and lunge. Grab your hands behind. Stop. Open march. Very good. Go back. Ready? Cross and lunge. Open. Very good. We have some knees now. Very easy. Go. Cross. Open. And close with chest. Very good. Go. Cross. Open. And close. Yes. From the top. The march. Come forward. Step. Down and cross. 3. Up and down. Push and go back. New part cross. Knees. And chest. Yes. Very good. One more time. Come on. Yes. Up and down. Attitude. Second part. Open, knees, and chest. Okay. Slow motion. Very slow. Touch your knee first. 1. And heel close. Open and close. Very good. One more time. Touch your knee. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We have to add more now in slow motion. Knee, knee, heel, close. Now go back double and to the front. One more time. Watch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Faster. Back. Yes. One more time. Touch your knee. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Are you ready from the top? Come forward, step, cross. 3 fast march, up and down. Push. Cross and lunge. Knees. Chest. Combination. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From the top, come on. Step, cross. Yes. Very good. Cross. Open. Combination. Back. Time for everybody. Yes. Back. Second part, knees. Combination.